Hello there, you join me outside Manchester Liverpool Road Station. It's currently a disused railway station, once the terminus of the Liverpool and Manchester Railway, which opened in 1830. It's now part of the Manchester Science and Industry, MOSI. Now today's video is going to look at 4 disused railway stations between Manchester Liverpool Road and Eccles. All these disused railway stations are currently on the site of an active railway line which sees trains from Manchester to Liverpool. Now our first disused railway station is actually going to be a short walk in this direction down here, which we're going to take now. So I'm on the outskirts of Regent's Retail Park, and right behind me you can just see the railway line. Now that part of the railway line right behind me is Ordsall Lane Junction, when the Link line diverts off the line towards Eccles. The Link line takes you to Salford Crescent. Now before that junction was built, there used to be a disused railway station just right there. And you can just see a train passing through right now. Now the disused railway station is Ordsall Lane, opened by the London and North Western Railway on the 1st of August 1849, closed to passengers on the 1st of February 1957. So I'm going to head my way to the next disused railway station now, which half of it has been obliterated by a roundabout. So I'm now standing in the middle of Regent's Road roundabout, and the next disused station is actually just right behind me here. Well, the entrance to the station was literally just here where I'm pointing at right now. However though, the station has been long gone. It's now in a cut-in under this roundabout, because they built the M602 as well here. But this next disused railway station was the original Liverpool and Manchester Railway Station that opened on the 15th of September 1830. Crossroads Bridge. 1 year later it was renamed to Cross Road. However though, this disused station closed in 1959 and there's no trace of it left. So we're going to head to Anchorage tram stop in that direction down there to head to our next disused railway station. So walking from the site of Cross Lane Station to Anchorage tram stop, it's really been chucking it down with rain, and it's also a bit windy as well. But we have made it to Anchorage tram stop on the Metrolink. Now we are catching a tram from here to head towards Langworthy. I think that's how you pronounce it. Because Langworthy, a very short walking distance from that tram stop, is our next disused railway station. So let's see this tram arriving and take a journey on the tram. Now do excuse the noise because I'm actually on 2 roads here. This is Langworthy Road, next door to Langworthy tram stop. Down the bottom here is the M602 motorway. And where I'm pointing at right now is the Liverpool and Manchester Railway. But next door to it used to be a disused railway station, Seedley railway station. Opened by the London and North Western Railway on the 1st of May 1882, and it closed to passengers on the 20th of July 1959. However though, there is still remains of the station as the retaining wall is still situated. And I think maybe a bit of the old platform might be there as well. Anyway, I'm going to head back to the tram stop down the bottom here to head to our next final disused railway station. So right behind me now is Weaste tram stop on the Metrolink. I want to go down this road here, Weaste Road, to head towards the last disused railway station before we get to Eccles. So we're now on Weaste Road, and down below is the M602 again, which is just right here. Right M6 was relayed to Weaste. However though, the station closed earlier than the others because this closed on the 19th of October 1942. And Weaste and Seedley station both got flattened by the motorway. So coming back to Weaste tram stop, which is just literally right behind me here. I'm going to catch the tram now straight through to Eccles. So we're now made to Eccles tram stop. Let's go and find Eccles railway station. So we're now at Eccles railway station. This railway station is very much active indeed, unlike the other 4 railway stations that weren't so active. And honestly, seeing those disused railway stations have really been interesting. If you teleported someone from the 1940s to the present day and showing them where these railway stations used to be, they're probably gobsmacked. They probably will be gobsmacked indeed. But anyway, I'm going to put a video at the end of this video showing another disused railway station. Please do hit that subscribe button if you want to see more disused railway stations. I have been SimOnTrains. Thank you very much for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you on the rails or disused railway stations for another video pretty soon. Thank you for watching. Take care and stay safe. I'm off to catch a tram now.